ElevenLabs Voice Cloning Review. So let's start. ElevenLabs is an AI-powered speech generation platform that supports both high-quality text-to-speech and voice cloning. So the process is creating a digital replica of a speaker's voice from audio samples. So here we have original samples, and then here we have the voice clones. So let's talk about its pros. So for the pros, it offers ultra-realistic output. Many reviewers report that the voice clones are very convincing. It also has a fast cloning and generations as well, so you won't have to wait that much in order for it to generate your voice cloning. It also has good accuracy on the voice identity and the nuance, and it offers strong narration for tutorial workflows. So let's start with one tutorial right here. Let's start with one sample. Here we have Lily. Let's play the audio.
And he shook his head with a smile as he noticed my questioning glances. Beyond the obvious facts that he has at some time done manual labour,
Now let's hear for the voice cloning one.
noticed my questioning glances. Beyond the obvious facts that he has at some time done manual labour, that
Now as you have seen, the voice cloning seems so accurate and sounded so good and same as the original one. So although that is really good feature, there are still some cons as well. The cloning depends heavily on the sample audio, so you need to provide a sample quality that's very good in order for it to voice clone properly. Although the accuracy isn't perfect at all, so there are some use cases where the voice may sound different. And it also costs a lot of credit use, which means you need to get the premium plan in order to get more options. And there are some accents and language limitations as well. So for the speed, cloning can be done quickly. For realism, many tests rate the realism very high. And for the accuracy, it is around 80 to 90% accurate or higher but varies depending on the sample quality and the voice characteristics. So overall, it is one of the most advanced and realistic option to create voice cloning. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.